In this video, we're going to be looking at how to use the PhET simulation vector addition to add vectors together using the parallelogram method. So to do this, choose Lab. And what I want to do is I want to add this vector to this vector, and I want to figure out what the resultant is. The first step that I'll do is I'm going to move our coordinates so that it's more in the center. And then the first step is to put the tails of these two vectors together, and I'll do that at point 0, 0 just for convenience. So using the parallelogram method, what we need to do is we need to draw a vector that is equal in magnitude and parallel to this other vector. So that's what this orange one represents. I've got a vector that's equal magnitude, and I'm going to put the tail of this new vector at the tip of the other vector that we're adding to. So these two vectors are parallel to one another. And I'm going to do the exact same thing using this vector. So we've got another vector that's equal magnitude, and I'm going to make it parallel. The tail of this vector I'm drawing is going to be at the tip of the other vector. And what you see is we have created a parallelogram. So that means by adding this vector to this vector using this method, the resultant should be at the tip of where these new vectors meet. So if I choose sum and I drag it up here, we see exactly that. This vector, when added to this vector, will result in this resultant. So that's the parallelogram method of adding vectors, and you can explore that more using the simulation.